Here's a powerful lesson of power of Fibonacci versus earnings versus indicators. The last 2 years had been the toughest few years for hedge funds in US, with the exception of very few that use mathematical sequence that happens to be Fibonacci. This is one of the top funds in US. $4 billion loss because Aikman chose to buy Valiant at 220. Absolutely crushing and collapsing to 11. As you can see on my website, when I've heard about this, in 2015 I said, he is being silly. Valiant at reversal zone. Why in the world would anyone buy Valiant? When the only good thing is to short Valiant. As I said, in 2015, Valiant is heading to 0. Finally, only when Valiant was at 11, he decided to close his position, losing $4 billion. This is only part of a problem. There is a lot of other issues happening in personal life of Aikman. What would his life be like if he just paid attention to Fibonacci? Every single thing he touches is simply ouch. If you know Fibonacci, you trade better than top fund in US. As students showing to me after 1 week that they can identify Fibonacci levels, some students as quickly as one class. And that's exactly what you saw earlier this morning. And that's exactly what price does each and every time when it comes to reversal zone. It doesn't matter if it's S&P weekly, where bullish rally came from. Exact same level where Valiant collapsed from. As I said at the start of 2016, S&P is heading to 2500. As you're witnessing right now, S&P reached this Fibonacci support, and that's where it's bouncing from. As you can see each and every time, hot pink level, never to be ignored. Price struggled at this level for many months. Next was decision point 2, where price struggled at. Right now, bullish rally on S&P is simply overextended. No ifs or buts about it. As long as this support is respected, bullish rally will go on. This is the end of the minor bearish trend. This is institutional chart. If you invest long term, you're using this chart. You're using this level. And this is something Aikman could have done. If he had done so, this would be his profits, not his loss. And that's the power of Fibonacci, and that's the key of the course. Nothing else matters. Everything else delayed, everything else afterthought. So if you would like to trade better than a hedge fund manager, I would highly encourage you to review the information on the website. Everything taught in live classes with information online. I meet with students each and every day, Monday through Friday. It is not a requirement to attend all classes. I will highly encourage you, please review the information on the website and never hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And always, most important part of the website, listen to the students and what they trade. Traders from beginner to hedge fund trader, trading the method in US and abroad. I work with beginner traders, I work with hedge fund traders who trade proprietary Fibonacci method I developed in 2008 that applies to any instrument and any time frame.